Did you know that now you can send your inventory by just simply asking Amazon to collect it from your location? Yes, you heard it right. You can now ask Amazon to come pick your inventory for you from your home or any other location, and they're gonna take care of the whole thing for you. I'll walk you through the whole process of setting it up in your Seller Central, and I'll also show you the important things that you should keep in mind when you're making changes of these settings. Hey everyone, my name is Orin and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in learning more about online businesses and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. UAE Amazon has implemented this service some time back, and this is actually amazing. If you're doing FBA, you no longer have to worry about the delivery of your inventory. Amazon UAE team will come to you, collect your inventory from you, take it to their warehouse, and once it's there, it'll automatically get synced with your Seller Central. As soon as the stock reaches the warehouse, your inventory will get replenished and your customers will be able to order just in the normal way as they do. Once your customer places an order, it'll be delivered to them in the same exact way how it did before. Let's get to the tutorial. So I'm logged into my Amazon Seller Central. We're gonna go to menu and then we're gonna go to inventory and manage all inventory. And so this obviously will take us to our manage all inventory page. So here we have all our listings. I'm gonna choose one of the products from here to send to Amazon. If this is your first time or it's a brand new product, then you need to get done with your listing first. If you've never listed a product before and you need help with that, I have a couple of tutorials on this topic. All the video links are in the description box below. You can check them if you need. So once we select the product, this action box will pop up and we're going to select send or replenish inventory. This part is basically the same as how we send new shipment to Amazon warehouse. So this brings us to the shipping page. So we are in the shipping page, and here usually people have their Chinese supplier's address. So make sure that you add the address of your home or whichever your pickup location point would be. This is so that Amazon can quote you correctly for Amazon UAE delivery prices. So once you fill this up, make sure that before getting out of this page, select the new address and keep this new address selected. All right, so next here, I'm going to be sending one box and that box will have 120 units. So I already have a previous template saved here, which is why it's already showing me 120. If you don't have a previous template, all you have to do is create one when you're listing your product. So let's have a quick look at the template. So the template is basically all of the packing details, and here you're gonna want to put all the dimensions of your box, the weight of your product. You can also edit or delete your old template. So that's what I have here. I'm sending one box and it has 120 units in there, and so I'm just gonna click on ready to send. So once you click that, it'll give you the option to confirm and continue. So we are gonna do confirm and continue. And so now step 1 is complete and we are moving to step 2. So this is where you're going to confirm all your shipping details. So here Amazon partnered carrier is selected and it's also recommended, and down here is all the product details, and on the other side we have the non-partnered carrier. You can click on it and check that out, and you can check the prices, you can compare the prices. So of course it's going to be small parcel delivery, and then from here you'll have the option to select the carrier. You can select ocean, air or ground. So I've gone back to Amazon partnered carrier and I've refreshed it, so it's given me the price. So in step 1 we already entered the location from where it needs to be picked, so based on that they have given me this price. So in my opinion, if you have only a few boxes, then it's best to select Amazon partnered carrier. If you have bulk inventory, then I suggest you look for a third-party carrier service. So down here they're asking us to accept the charges and confirm shipping, so we're gonna go ahead with it. And so that brings us to step 3. So in step 3 we have all of your box labels. So here we have all the details now about your shipment, the shipment ID, and then where it's going to be shipped from, and then where it will get shipped to, meaning which Amazon fulfillment center is it going to. It has the SKUs, the units, the carrier is Amazon partnered carrier, which we selected, and then here they're asking for pickup contact. So we have already put our address up before, but here they will need it again. It says FBA pickup by ATS. They're awaiting pickup details, and so we're gonna go ahead and click on change. And so here, if nothing has been added, you can add a new contact. So once you fill fill this up, then it'll show all your details over here. And then next we're going to book our time and date slot. So let's click on book cargo pickup. And so now we have the calendar, and all of it that's in gray is already booked. So those are unavailable, and the available ones are green. And the dark green is the date that I have selected, and I have selected 30th. So now we're going to click on accept charges and confirm, and that'll bring us back to our shipping labels section. So from down here you can print your box labels. So let's click on print, and so now these are your box labels. You can save them in your computer for later and then print them out and then stick them on top of your box. And now everything is pretty much done. I have already confirmed all of the charges, so we can go down here and track our shipment. In case you want to cancel it, you can delete the shipment from here. All right, so let's click on track shipment, and there you go. This is our tracking shipment page. Right now it says shipment created, but then you can track and monitor everything when it will be in transit, delivered, checked in, receiving, and then finally shipment closing. And then up here we have all of the shipment details. And if you want to access this page directly from your Seller Central dashboard, then this is how we are going to do it. So if you're in our Seller Central dashboard, then we're going to go to menu and then inventory, and then all the way down to manage FBA shipments. That'll bring us to the shipping queue, and here you'll have all your shipments. And if you click on track shipment, then it'll bring you to the same page and you can track all of your shipments. And so that's basically it. This is how you get Amazon to come to you to pick your inventory. You now no longer have to stress about taking your inventory, lining up in the queue. In my opinion, it's a great option to have and use. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching.